Basically, we see that people are like motor cars. Every now and then they need a service, and sometimes people need quite a extensive repair.
When you're unwell, it's not only you that suffers, it's your whole family. For me, it was my wife who had to put up with my grumpy moods or my headaches, and for my kids, it had to tiptoe around the house. So when I was unwell, they all felt the ramifications of that. But after living Valley, when I got back home, they all got to join in the fun and the joy of the new husband or the new Matt, the new dad that could ride bikes, that could play games, that could, come home and be excited and not fall asleep on the couch because I was so tired and unwell. They got to experience the real me, not the me that shouldn't have been there the whole time. So that's what Living Valley helped me with.
Our team consists of naturopathic doctors, psychologists, a range of natural therapists, along with a whole team of support staff. So when people come into our workshop, so to speak, we work out what really is happening in their lives, where they are, where they should be, and we work out how we can take them to a much higher level of healthy living.
The feedback we are getting again and again and again is that the guests have gained so much more than what they ever expected or imagined when they first came to the retreat. If you're even thinking or contemplating about it and you're not sure, I'd really encourage you to just give it a go, because you won't go home regretting it.
The best time to act is now, because 6 months may be too late, and your health is worth it, you're worth it. And like I said before, your family's worth it. So act now and you'll have the most amazing time.